Damn. What?
You're a wizard.
Damn.
So I'll test that then, shall I? Transform me to a woman!
That didn't work, did it? Wait, that did work. What? Ah.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Experiment. It's your boy Lambchop here and we're back with another unboxing. And this week we are unboxing a Wizarding World box. Spooky. We've got the trusty dusty the Lambchopper. And we're gonna do this so you know the old routine. Penetrate and along. Oh, that is so satisfying. So here we go. Got stuck. Now there isn't actually that much in it. Let's chuck that down there. We have got, oh my god, this is sick. We've got a Fantastic Beasts hat. Bye! And it says, no medge, no madge. But I'm magical.
Bit tight.
This looks like this much. Wait. Oh, it's a bit of a snug fit. This might have to be Mrs. Lambchop's hat. She might have to wear it. So we've got that. Oh, these are sick. We have got some Harry Potter Lootwear exclusive crew socks. Look at those. They're beautiful. So we put them down there. We've got a Fantastic Beast t-shirt which says become an Oblivion recruit now every half moon of the month. Pretty sick that is. Do you think it suits me? Then, oh, this is so cool. We've got, I don't even know what it's meant to be used for. Oh, it's a bag tag. It tags your bag. It's for your bags, so you can tag it. You can tag the bags with the bag tag. Okay, you get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? It's a bag tag, which is 9 3/4. That will look sick on my shelf of Harry Potter stuff. We have got a collapsible bag. Oh, this is like a little collapsible bag. I think you can open it up. Here.
Nice.
Do you get it? The collapsible house in Harry Potter? Collapsible bag. That is pretty cool. I'm not going to fold it together right now. Can't be bothered with that. And then, oh my god. It's from the film of Harry Potter, the Wand Collection. Every wand has a story of its own. And then this will obviously tell you. So it tells you about the wand makers, wand battle. Oh my god, this is sick. So like, I don't know how clear the picture will be. I might get some shots, but like here you go. This is Ching's wand. Let's see if we got Harry Potter. Where's a Harry? Where's? There we go. Lord Voldemort's wand, which I do own. So yeah, that was sick. I like this book. Again, this is going to be another thing that could go on my collection. Oh my god, it goes through like all of them, like even like the Snatchers in the last one. You got some Death Eaters. So there we go, guys. That is going to be the end of this unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, please comment below your favourite item. Was it the bag? Was it the socks? Was it the book of the wands? Was it the t-shirt? Was it the bag tag? The tag, the bag's the bag, the bag, the tag, the bag, the bag. bag tag, the tag, the bag, the bag tag, the bag, or was it the Nomad hat? Which I think that's pretty sick. It's a bit tight on me, like I said, it'll probably go to Mrs. Lambchop or Little Lamb. But if you did enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe. But wait there's more. I will show off my little shelf, my little collection shelf of all my Harry Potter stuff.